On today's episode, we're going to be making a simple San Mai knife. We're going to be using 1095 and 15N20. But I don't plan to forge it to shape because my 15N20 is so thin, I don't want to distort it or stretch it too much, because when I grind the bevels, I may lose the pattern or lose the 15N20. I just really want to keep it simple. We're also going to be making this a bushcraft knife, where we have a thick spine, 90-degree sharp edges for using fire starters and that sort of thing, and probably taper the tang. But we're going to address one other problem, and that is on San Mai knives, a lot of folks are having problems when they quench their knives, they're getting a cracked core. We're going to address that today. Welcome back. So there we have it, my version of a simple San Mai knife. Wasn't crazy about the pattern, but I kind of figured that would happen because I didn't do any stretching the material or forging the shape. But I was afraid of that thin 15N20 jacket. But more importantly, I hope we addressed the problem with the cores cracking when you quench your blades. I learned that the hard way after several cracked blades right down the center. I think it has to do with the outer jacket cooling much faster than the inner core. And the inner core can't expand, can't go anywhere, so it just splits and it makes a way to expand. And edge quenching solved that problem for me. Just a simple knife, bushcraft. We're going to do some testing with this thing later on, but I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're going to have some more coming. And we'll see you on the next one.